Hello, sorry. Till now, my mic is off, huh? Okay, okay. So here we are trying to find మీరు ఫస్ట్ లోనే చెప్పాలి ఎవరికి క్లాస్ చాలా చెప్పాను సో ఓకే we have to be created the data we have created a schema for this we have created data frame after that we have created a date function after this created then we are calculating order by created date in some uh, low to high 6th of January 14th of January 29th of January low to high we are order by date then we are creating last created date for this each and every user. What is the last created date for this sixth to this one is previously? No data is available. So null. What is the last created date for 14th January is 6th of January. What is the last created date for 29th January is like 14th January. What is the last created date for this one is that? So 26 is no data previously for the 101 user. What is the last created date for 27th is 26th. So what is the last created date for this 26th and this one for 101 for this null? 29th user is 26 like this. What is the difference we are calculating that? What is the lesser than 7 date difference is that one we are trying to find it. Lesser than means 101 is one of the user is which is less than 7 days, which is the active user. 114 is also less than 7 days. The difference which is less than 7 days between the created date and last created date, that is what we are assuming like that is the active user. That's what I'm trying to find. These are the two users which are active. So if you got any data from the banking domain or insurance domain, we want to find the active users between the dates. We want to find it out each and every user. Last logged in date, actual login date. So we want to find the difference using these functions, lag function, date diff function. Then we can use the filter function. What is the filter condition criteria? Based on we can filter the what are the users are active users, what are the users are inactive users. We can find using this is the program. Okay, we have to we can get the data using the CSV data file or JSON data or normal plain data we are getting. Sample data I took like a user ID, item, created date and cost something, product cost. Then I'm importing the SQL function, created date I'm taking, alias of created date, and I'm using like window in function, order by class I'm using, last created date I'm taking like previous to last created date is the column I'm defining like a created date over the window in function and calculate date difference between the created date and last created date. Then I'm calculating the actual difference between this created date and last created date. That should be less than 7 days. That is what we are considering like active users. Okay, try to practice this example for today. We can see tomorrow another example.